Hey, it's Al again. Snowstorm or hailstorm part 2. I thought I'd just take you on a tour around the house. Don't hear this crunching very often in Arizona. There's the neighbor's solar panels. They're not doing very much good today. Look at all the hail and grapple that's falling off of his solar panels down onto his roof. It's still raining. Here's what happens when it rains. The water runs down between the houses. That's how the construction is made, so that it all runs down to the street, because we don't have any storm sewers. The golf course fairways are used as retention ponds, and all the snow or water from the rainstorms, you can see how it's running down the street. It all goes down the street to a gutter that then goes into the catch basin or the fairways on the golf course. That's what happens when you get a lot of rain all at once. It comes down in between the houses, runs to the street, and then runs down the street to the catch basins on the golf course. The golf course fairways fill up, and until they drain and soak back in, fairways are closed. So anyway, this is part 2. Thought I'd show you what things look like outside. Again, you can see the neighbor's solar panels. Ours probably look the same way on the other side of the house. But that's it's kind of cold out here. I'm not used to this cold weather. So that's all I got. Hope you enjoy seeing cold weather in Arizona. And I am here. Bye for now.